Introduction to Azure Synapse Ingestion from ADLS. Azure Synapse Analytics is a powerful platform that allows users to integrate and analyze data from various sources, including Azure Data Lake Storage ADLS. In this guide, we will walk through the process of ingesting data from ADLS into Azure Synapse. Step 1. Connect to ADLS. To ingest data from ADLS, you need to connect to your ADLS account from Azure Synapse. This is done by creating a link service in Azure Synapse, which provides a secure connection to your ADLS account. You will need to provide your ADLS account name, account key, and other connection details. Step 2. Create a dataset. Once you have connected to your ADLS account, you need to create a dataset that defines the structure of your data. A dataset is a reference to your data in ADLS, and it can be a file, a folder, or a container. You can create a dataset using the Azure Synapse interface or by using a JSON file. Step 3. Create a pipeline. A pipeline is a series of activities that are executed in a specific order to ingest data from ADLS into Azure Synapse. You can create a pipeline using the Azure Synapse interface, and it typically consists of a copy activity that copies data from ADLS to Azure Synapse. Step 4. Configure the copy activity. The copy activity is the core of the pipeline, and it defines how data is copied from ADLS to Azure Synapse. You need to configure the source and sink datasets, as well as the mapping between the two. You can also specify additional settings, such as data transformation and data filtering. Step 5. Deploy and monitor the pipeline. Once you have created and configured the pipeline, you can deploy it to Azure Synapse. You can monitor the pipeline using the Azure Synapse interface, and you can also use Azure Monitor to track the pipeline's performance and troubleshoot any issues. Best practices for Azure Synapse ingestion from ADLS. To get the most out of Azure Synapse ingestion from ADLS, follow these best practices. Use the Azure Synapse interface to create and manage your pipelines, as it provides a user-friendly and intuitive experience. Use JSON files to define your datasets and pipelines, as they provide a flexible and scalable way to manage your data. Monitor your pipelines regularly to ensure they are running smoothly and troubleshoot any issues promptly. Conclusion. Ingesting data from ADLS into Azure Synapse is a powerful way to integrate and analyze your data. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a robust and scalable pipeline that meets your data ingestion needs. Remember to follow best practices to get the most out of Azure Synapse ingestion from ADLS. And use the Azure Synapse interface and JSON files to manage your pipelines and datasets.